Do you ever scroll through social media and feel a pang of envy? Pictures of exotic vacations, sparkling new cars, and designer clothes fill our feeds. It's a constant stream of luxury and opulence that can make anyone feel like they're missing out. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking everyone else is swimming in cash. The images are so convincing, so polished, that they create an illusion of endless wealth. But here's the truth. It's often an illusion. Many of these posts are carefully staged to project a certain image. Social media shows us the highlight reel, not the behind the scenes. The reality is often far less glamorous. People usually only post the good stuff, the successes, the joys, the picture-perfect moments. They want to share their best selves with the world. What we don't see are the struggles, the debts, the sacrifices hidden behind those carefully curated images. The financial stress and the lengths people go to maintain that facade. Remember, appearances can be deceiving. The reality behind the scenes is often very different from what is portrayed. Just because someone looks wealthy on Instagram doesn't mean they are financially secure in real life. Many influencers and celebrities face financial difficulties despite their glamorous posts. Don't let the curated lives of others distort your perception of financial reality. Focus on your own journey and remember that true wealth is not just about money, but also about happiness and contentment. It's human nature to compare ourselves to others. From the earliest days of human society, we've always looked at our peers to gauge our own success and happiness. But in the age of social media, this natural tendency has gone into overdrive. Every scroll through our feeds bombards us with images of seemingly perfect lives. We're constantly bombarded with images of people who seem to have it all. Lavish vacations, designer clothes, and luxury cars fill our screens. Filters, Photoshop, and carefully staged photos create a distorted view of reality. What we see is often a curated highlight reel, not the full picture. People often spend money they don't have to impress people they don't even know. The pressure to keep up with these unrealistic standards can be overwhelming. They rack up credit card debt for the perfect Instagram post, buying things they can't afford just to get a few likes and comments, or go into debt for a flashy car. The need to appear successful can lead to financial ruin. Don't fall for the trap. The cycle of comparison and spending can be a dangerous one. Real wealth isn't about showing off. It's about having the resources to live comfortably and securely. It's about financial security, peace of mind, and the freedom to live life on your own terms. True wealth is measured by the quality of your life, not the quantity of your possessions. Comparing our financial situation to others is a recipe for unhappiness. When we focus on what we lack, we lose sight of what we have. It breeds resentment, envy, and a sense of inadequacy. Remember, everyone's financial journey is unique. There's no one-size-fits-all timeline for success. Some people come from privileged backgrounds, others start with nothing. Some get lucky breaks, others face unexpected setbacks. Instead of comparing your chapter 3 to someone else's chapter 20, focus on writing your own story. Your journey is yours alone, and every step you take is a step in the right direction. One of the biggest financial myths is that there's a right age to achieve certain milestones, buy a house, have a certain amount saved, or reach a specific income level. This pressure can make us feel like we're constantly behind. But life isn't a race. Forget the arbitrary timelines. Focus on what truly matters to you and create a financial plan that aligns with your values and goals. Whether you're saving for a down payment, paying off debt, or investing for the future, celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Every step you take brings you closer to your financial goals. Section 5. Building a budget that works for you. A budget isn't about deprivation, it's about empowerment. It's about taking control of your money so you can live a life you love without constant financial stress. Start by tracking your spending for a month. Where does your money go? Once you have a clear picture, identify areas where you can cut back and redirect those funds toward your goals. Remember, your budget should be flexible and adapt to your changing needs. Don't be afraid to adjust it as you go. The key is to find a system that works for you and stick with it. Section 6. Small steps, big wins, celebrating milestones. Financial progress isn't always about making huge leaps. It's about the journey, the small, consistent steps that build up over time. Each step, no matter how small, is a building block towards your financial goals. It's often about taking small, consistent steps that add up over time. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how small. These moments of recognition are crucial. Paid off a credit card? Give yourself a high five. It's a significant achievement that deserves acknowledgement. Reached your savings goal for the month? That's fantastic. Treat yourself to something small and within budget. A little reward can go a long way in keeping you motivated. These little victories keep you motivated and remind you that you're on the right track. They serve as reminders of your progress and dedication. Remember, financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about endurance and persistence. Pace yourself, celebrate your wins, and keep your eyes on the prize, a future where you're in control of your money and your life. Every step you take brings you closer to financial freedom and security. Section 7. Finding contentment in the present. While it's essential to have financial goals, don't let the pursuit of more rob you of joy in the present. Contentment isn't about having everything you want, but about appreciating what you already have. Focus on the good in your life, your health, your loved ones, the roof over your head. Practice gratitude for what you have, while still working towards what you want. Remember, true wealth isn't measured in dollars and cents, but in the richness of your experiences, the strength of your relationships, and the fulfillment you find in your everyday life. Section 8. Remember your why. When you're feeling discouraged or tempted to compare yourself to others, remember why you started this journey in the first place. What are your financial dreams and aspirations? Do you want to own a home? Travel the world? Retire early? Connect with your why and let it fuel your determination. Visualize yourself achieving your goals and let that vision inspire you to keep going. Your why is your anchor. It keeps you grounded when times get tough and reminds you that your financial journey is about something much bigger than keeping up appearances. Section 9. You've got this. The journey to financial well-being is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be bumps in the road, unexpected detours, and moments of doubt. But remember, you are capable of achieving your financial goals. Believe in yourself, stay focused on your why, and celebrate your progress along the way. You've got this.